So this is a quick way to record the MIDI from Rhythmic Steps into another track and at the same time record the audio from Rhythmic Steps. So on track 1, I've got Rhythmic Steps going with a 707 chord kit. So let's just take a quick listen to this. It's a very basic beat just for the demonstration. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send the MIDI from the first track. Here it's called 707 chord kit because that's the default name. I'm going to send the MIDI to 3 MIDI tracks and then the MIDI to an audio track like that. Press play. And I'm going to arm all of these tracks simply by pressing Control and Select. And then I'm going to go in and record all of the tracks. Okay, so we've added MIDI in all of the MIDI tracks and we've saved the audio from the MIDI as well. As you can see here, all of that MIDI has gone into the 3 different MIDI tracks like that. And then on the audio track, it's recorded the audio. So let's just take a quick listen now to the audio. Okay, so it's recorded the audio. Super cool. Now you notice that MIDI 2, 3 and 4 are empty. So what we're going to do is we're going to place an 808 chord kit on MIDI 2, a 909 on MIDI 3 and a 606 on MIDI 4. Now what that means is we can now experiment with different drum sounds for the same track. So that's the 808. This is the 909. And this is the 606. So we're basically getting the MIDI out there onto different tracks to see how they sound. We can also record the audio as we've just heard. And the good thing about audio is you can mangle the audio and mutilate it basically to get the sounds that you want. So for example, we can go into warp mode and just start messing with the transients and pitch.